Good morning, kids. Today we are going to keep on using food coloring to get color in our white flowers, to get the color transporting through the whole stem of your plants and go up to the top. Look, this celery is turning blue, and look at this flower. It's turning red, right guys? I am going to let you know how I did this, okay? I will show you guys. First thing first, you need a clear glass, okay? If you're going to do the celery or the flower, you need a clear glass that you can see through, okay? Clear glass. You also need food coloring, right? Any color you want. I put it here so you can see it better. I also have green color here, right? Any color you like. Then what you do is you get your glass half with water. Then you pour at least 10 drops of food coloring, okay? Like I show you, I already have my color. So for my celery, what I did was, it's already coming along because I did that last night. I got this much water and I put 10 drops of blue coloring, food coloring. Then I want you to see how the color is going through this. Now for my flower, it was totally white, guys. Half a glass of water and the red color. Now I am going to get closer to show you how I did, what it looks like. Okay guys? So here I am, closer. So you see, my celery is turning blue. You see the blue color going through it? Look it over here, guys. It's going through. Look at the blue color going through there. All the way, right guys? Look at it over here, how the blue is absorbing. So how did I do that? Remember, half cup of water, 10 drops of blue color. You can use any other color, but you need to cut a little bit at the bottom of your celery so to refresh it, so it can absorb color faster. So I started this last night and this is how it's going so far, okay guys? Isn't that cool, guys? Now I am going to show you how my flower is going. I started last night and this flower is, it's just dying on me. So that's why I use it to transform and get it to absorb some color. So what I did was, I cut the end, you see, in an angle. I have half cup of water and I put 10 drops of red color. And look at guys how those flowers are absorbing the color. So pretty. This is so beautiful. This is something you can do at home for fun, guys, okay? When your flowers are starting to die like that, just cut the end and get some food coloring and have fun making another color from your flowers. And enjoy, guys, doing science experiments. They're a lot of fun. If you want to do this at home, ask your parents, okay? Ask a grown-up and you can do this at home. Remember to use old towels on the table so you don't make a mess with the food coloring, okay guys? Do a lot of experiments and enjoy and have fun. Bye for now.